So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your online status on the Fiverr mobile application. So once Fiverr's opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on the profile picture icon. In the top left, as you can tell, it indicates that I'm online because the circle's green. If you want to go ahead and change that, it's very straightforward. Under settings right here, or even at the top, you can go ahead and press on your profile picture. And then where it says profile image, below that it says set status. If you go ahead and flick this off just like that, and then you were to exit out, as you can tell right here, you now are offline, or are appearing offline, I guess, because the circle is not green. Now, there's another way to do this. It's either under account, or it's under, is it under account and it's under privacy? No. It's under preferences, and then online status right here. You can flick that on, flick that off, whatever the case may be. And you can go ahead and change your online status that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to change your online status on Fiverr Mobile. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.